Welcome to this tutorial, where we'll show you how to add tubing to a fiber. Optical sensing fibers can be used in many applications, some of which require more protection. Tubing is used to reinforce a fiber, ensuring extra strength against bending. FBGS fiber optic sensors can be configured with FEP, PTFE, or even metal tubing. But in some cases, you may need to put tubing on a fiber yourself. Let's jump into it. To reproduce this video, you will need a fiber, tubing, a cutter or scissors. First, cut the tubing to the desired length. You can use a cutter or scissors. Then insert the fiber into the tubing. Repeat this if you have multiple tubing sections. You can now proceed with additional steps, for example, splicing a connector. Check our other videos if you do not know how to proceed. What you obtain is the following: a tubing-protected fiber ready for use. Our fiber hack: when working with tubing lengths longer than 20 centimeters, tape it straight on a flat surface. Then insert the fiber slowly through one end.